designate a portion of their parking lot so parents can meet up to exchange their children.
Yeah, that location can be court-ordered, but also voluntary.
The safe haven to come in, exchange the child, feel safe, and in case there's any kind of event or dispute, there's a camera that's recording 24 hours a day. There's no he said, she said.
I want to go ahead and bring in now Spectrum News 13's Maria Serrano. She joins us in studio. And Maria, the Cassie Carli law is named after a Florida mother who was kidnapped and killed by her child's father after a custody exchange in a restaurant parking lot.
And experts say this new law can eliminate the risks during, at times, emotionally heated custody exchanges. These parking lots are a few feet away from the front door of sheriff's offices and also immediately ensures there is video evidence for any investigations or criminal prosecution. Morgan Cardinal is a lawyer at Community Legal Services. It's a nonprofit legal aid law firm. She says the organization's family law unit deals with survivors of domestic violence.
Cassie Carli's law is going to be really relevant to those types of clients, right?
Cardinal says the nonprofit has worked with upwards of 1,000 domestic violence survivors in 1 year alone, including child custody cases. She says this new law is a step in the right direction.
Now, recognizing that, unfortunately, in a lot of domestic relation situations, there can be violence or intimidations or threats used by either parent.
The Cassie Carli law says each sheriff's office parking lot designated as a neutral safe exchange location must have a purple light, be accessible 24/7, have adequate lighting, and record video 24/7. The Orange County Sheriff's Office says their safe exchange location is up and running in the north parking lot of their Central Operations Building on Colonial Drive. The agency installed their child custody safe exchange signs in May.
So having safe spaces for those exchanges to take place is going to be very, very important for the safety of not only the child, but also the parents as well.
Cardinal says traditionally when custody arrangements happen, the courts can add exchange requirements so that they happen in a neutral space.
What this does is really take that a little bit further by designating those spaces at sheriff's monitored facilities and really make those facilities the responsibility of the sheriff office.
The agency says they're now actively advising their clients about this new law.
So I think this is definitely a step forward in giving people who have experienced domestic violence and may be in a custody arrangement with their abuser that added security of having a safe place to meet with that person.
As far as the Orange County Sheriff's Office, the agency says the safe exchange location in their parking lot shares a home with their e-commerce exchange zone locations. They shared a statement that reads in part, quote, "We feel strongly that a law enforcement agency can be a safe place to exchange e-commerce, or in this case, children. We always tell people, particularly those buying or selling goods online, that if someone doesn't want to meet them at a law enforcement agency, that's a red flag." Reporting in studio, Maria Serrano, Spectrum News.
Thank you, Maria. Having a safe space, having so much support. We have more information on what local sheriff's offices are saying with regards to this brand new law. You can find it on our website, mynews13.com.